What up, you guys? Today y'all tuning in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss, and I'm back at it again today, bringing another video. So today we're going to be doing some oxtails and gravy. I have been getting a lot of comments on the oxtails and gravy that I made with the can. So today I'm making my gravy from scratch with the flour and onions. And of course I got the boys with me, Junior, Leek. We about to go ahead and get it started. You know they ready to dig in on these oxtails. Yeah. And I'm also going to be doing the oxtails in the pressure cooker today, so it won't be taking so long. But first, we're gonna sear them on the stove top first. So let's go ahead and head over here to the sink and wash them off. All right, so we back, and we're gonna use some Goyo Sazon seasoning. Got 1 pack. We're gonna be hitting some salt on there, some onion powder, and of course some black pepper. So I see a lot of people say, hey, oxtails are expensive from where I'm from. So where are you guys from? How much the oxtails costing out there where you from? You know, cause out here they about like $5.50 to $6 a pound on the average when I go to the commissary and get them. But if I go off like Kroger or something and get them, yeah, they pretty expensive. So I got some plain white flour. I'm gonna put that in here, just get it mixed up on them. Just so we get that nice brown crust. You just want to get it all covered. So we're gonna go ahead and go over here. I got some vegetable oil. We're about to go over here and heat up. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, peanut oil, olive oil, whatever you prefer. That's just what I got on hand. Let's head over to the stove. So we can go ahead and put them in the pan, get them brown on all 4 sides. So for our gravy, I'm gonna pour a little bit of the grease that I had from frying the oxtails in here. And then I'm gonna throw some flour in here, just some plain white ordinary flour. So we're gonna add in some white salt, just for seasoning for the, we're not gonna put too much because I'm doing the beef broth too, by the way. Some black pepper. Onion powder. Okay, and I'm just gonna put about 2 cups of beef broth. So I got this brown in the seasoning. I'm gonna put a half a teaspoon in there. This makes your gravy perfect. It's just like Gravy Master. For y'all who use Gravy Master out there. half teaspoon. So now I got a whole onion cut up. Gonna put half on the bottom. Then I'm gonna start adding in my oxtails. Gonna put the other half onions on top of the oxtails. And then we're just gonna seal up our pressure cooker. Now I'm just gonna put the pressure cooker on cook. And I'm going for 40 minutes. And then it's just gonna start. So here I just got some red mashed potatoes I mashed up. It'll be good over rice too. But we're gonna do it over potatoes. So there we have it, the final product of the oxtails and gravy with the onions. It smells good. I just want you guys to know. So I wish you guys could taste it, but y'all are all across the world. Maybe one day y'all can taste it though. But I'd like to thank you guys for tuning into this video, checking out your boy Southern Smoke Boss, bringing in more oxtails for us. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out.